How to fix dual WhatsApp not working on Android problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix the dual WhatsApp not working problem in your Android. Okay, so guys, if you are using a dual WhatsApp on your Android and if the dual WhatsApp is not working, then guys, how you can fix this problem in this video you will get to know about it. I'll tell you the solution, and after doing the solution your problem will be fixed definitely. So just watch this video till the end and fix your problem. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So let's begin the tutorial. So guys, at the first, okay, what I want to suggest you is that if you are using the application, okay, if you are using a dual application from where you are using the WhatsApp as dual, then guys, what you need to do is you have to go to setting, and then guys you have first you have to clear the datas and everything, okay, of that dual application. For example, if you are using the parallel space, okay, parallel space, we especially use it for making dual applications. So guys, if you are using parallel space, okay, to make dual WhatsApp, then guys go to setting, and then guys you have to go to manage app, and after that clear the data of your parallel space. Okay, for example, go to apps, and then guys go to manage app, install app, or you may find here app manager. Okay, so go there, and then guys you have to find out the parallel space, and after that you have to clear the data. So after clearing the data, you just have to restart your device, and then guys check the update of the parallel space, and after that you can use dual WhatsApp. Okay, so this is how you can fix the problem easily if you are using dual applications. Okay, if you are using like parallel space to make dual applications, so it is the best and easiest way to fix the problem. But guys, for example, if you are using the device dual applications, okay, like this, if you go to apps, so there will get dual application. Okay, in my phone I don't need any application to use dual WhatsApp. Okay, in my phone there is an option from where I can use the dual application. Okay, as you can see, I can dual the all applications from here. So even I'm using the dual WhatsApp and it's working well. So guys, if in your device, if the dual WhatsApp is not working, then guys go to Play Store. Okay, but guys, first you have to disable that dual application. So guys, go to your setting, and then you have to scroll down here, go to apps, and then guys you have to go here on the dual apps, and after that guys you have to disable the dual application from here. Okay, disable the dual WhatsApp, and then guys go back. After that you have to open up the Play Store, search here for the WhatsApp. Okay, just type here WHA WhatsApp. So search for the WhatsApp, and then guys you have to update your main WhatsApp application. Okay, you have to use the latest version of the WhatsApp messenger. And then guys what you have to do is you just go to setting, and guys we are in the last process. Okay, so just watch the full video. So now what you have to do is you have to scroll down, go to apps, and after that open the manage app. Okay, so as I have told you, you will find here manage app, install app, or app manager. So just go there, and after that you have to find out your WhatsApp application. So just scroll down again. Okay, so we have to go to the bottom. Okay, so we have found it. Okay, we have found it. So here go to the main WhatsApp application, and then guys you have to click on the clear data and click on clear cache. Okay, you don't have to clear the data, just clear the cache of the main WhatsApp application, and then guys you have to go back and then scroll up. Now search for your setting. Okay, search for the setting, and we have to reset our setting. So click on the first stop, and after that you have to clear the data. So after clearing the data you just have to go back again, And now go to dual apps and make your WhatsApp as dual, and after that you can use it easily. Okay. And guys, still if you're and still if you are still having the problem, and if you are unable to fix it, then guys, make sure to update your mobile software as well. Okay, you might be facing the problem because of not updating the mobile software. So just go to setting, and then guys, click on about phone, and after that update your software, and after that make your WhatsApp as dual, and then you can use it easily. Okay, so this is the only solution to fix your WhatsApp problem in your Android. So guys, instead of using dual WhatsApp, I would like to suggest you that you can use the WhatsApp business as well. Okay, you can use WhatsApp main application and WhatsApp messenger, and you can use WhatsApp business as well. So guys, just it is a suggestion, but guys, if you want to use dual WhatsApp, then guys, you can go for this solution and your problem will be solved. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.